Hey, everybody, all of my friends, cousins, relatives, all of you future stock traders and investors. Today is going to be a very important video, and so important that you do not have to see my face, my mug. I want you to concentrate on what I'm going to show you. Today, we're going to talk about another way that I make money in the stock market. And we're going to talk about it through options. And a lot of you people listening to this do not realize that with options, you can make money whether or not the market is going up, as I'm pointing to, or whether it's going down. This happens to be a SPY stock, and the SPY stands for the Standard & Poor's S&P 500. So in this particular market, what we're looking at is the market dropping. Right now, you've heard on the news, the market is dropping. So everybody's in a panic. But very few people realize that you can make money while the market is dropping. It's dropping because it's underneath my moving average line. And you can make money whether or not it's going up. Up or down, you can make money. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to potentially make money. This is on my on-demand account in my Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade account. On-demand is really great because you can practice. This is the weekend I'm recording this, so the markets are not open. But I can show you still how I make money and how I'm planning to make money again next week using options. So with this on-demand feature, as you see, I'm pointing up here, you can go back to any date in time. I decided to go back about a month, September 19th of 2022. So it's about a month ago. And this is exactly what the SPY looked like at that time. So what I do, and what I do every day in my real account, is also I put a bracket above and a bracket below this high and low of that particular day. This is a daily chart. So remember from my previous videos, that means each one of these candles represents one day. This last candle right here is September the 19th, the day that we're working with. That's Monday, September 19th. So we're going to look to see how we would do if we buy what's called a put, P-U-T, option. Put means that we are thinking by looking at our charts that the market is going to continue down. A call option, C-A-L-L, would be if we were looking at our charts and we were thinking that the market is going to continue up. We are thinking down. The market is down. Even though today is green, I'm thinking that the market is going to still drop further down from here. And I see the opportunity to make money. So what do? We go up here to the trade tab. And this is the option chain. Don't get confused about this. Don't worry about this. I'll have other videos to share with you and to train you on. And also remember, this is not, I'm not suggesting that you buy this particular stock. This is for educational purposes only, but I'm showing you the potential in options. And remember, if you don't know this already, one option contract controls 100 shares. So what we're going to do is buy one put option. And since the market is trading around 384, we're thinking that it's going to go further down. So I'm going to buy a put option that expires 21 days from now, October 10th. So options expire, so you can pick the number of days out, and you need to give it a little breathing time to give yourself a chance to make money. Sometimes it can happen in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Sometimes it may take a week or two. You just never know. And you're never sure if you're going to actually make money. But let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to buy a put. You see where I'm pointing? It's called puts. I'm thinking the market is going to drop. So at 384, let me put in a put option at around right close to where the market is. And I want to buy that one. Let's say, wait a minute. Let's just do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to buy just one contract to open. To open, that means to get into the market. A 384 put that does not expire until October 10th of 2022. It's costing me $8.85, but that is times 100. So it's going to be $885 for me to put up to buy this particular option. We're going to buy it at a limit. That means close to this amount. And we're going to put in what's called GTC, good till cancel. So if it doesn't get me in the market today and it doesn't drop today, hopefully it will drop within the next couple of days and get me in. But once I've made that decision, I click down here where it says confirm and send. And it's showing me now that my maximum loss, so I could lose up to $878. No more than that, but that's my risk. And I could potentially profit $37,522. So I'm willing to risk $800 or almost $900 for a potential profit of $37,000. Now, more than likely, I'm not going to stay in it long enough to make $37,000, but I want to stay in it long enough to make more than what I'm putting up. So I'm going to click send, and there. Now we go to the monitor tab. Look up here. It's showing that I put in the order and it's working. Now I can leave for the rest of the day. I don't have to do anything else, and I can just wait to see in the next day or two whether or not I'm going to get into this market or into this particular trade. Let's go back. You see it on my charts. It's showing that I'm there and nothing has happened yet. So now let's go to the next day, September 20th, to see if I get in. It's buffering. It takes a second. Have patience. That's the main thing with trading. You have to have patience to do it. And hopefully most of you have patience to watch this video so you can learn something. Whoa, it looks like I was just in. I bought it. I bought the put. I am in. Okay, so let's go back to the monitor tab and see if I've made any money yet. Okay, so far you see where I'm pointing? I'm up about $5, $6. It's growing. Okay, let's go back. Let's go over to September 21st. Remember, we put this order in on a Monday, the 19th. Now we're going to Wednesday, the 21st. Let me click here. It's going to be buffering. It takes a few seconds to update. So let's see what happens on the 21st. Here it comes. Let's see where we are. Let's go to my charts. Okay. It looks like I'm down $71. But let's look at the chart. Okay, here we are. So I'm down $71. The market is still down. The trend is still down. So I'm not panicking with a $71 out of my pocket loss at the moment. So let's just stay in it and see what happens by Thursday, the 22nd. Okay. It's buffering up here. It's going to update me. Whoa, look at what has happened. You see where we first got in? Now it has dropped. So now we see that we should be making money. Let's go back to the monitor tab and see how much money I'm up. Whoa, I'm up $500, $499. You see it's fluctuating. 4 to 5, almost $500. That's within 4 days. So let's stay in this a little bit longer. Let's just say now I'm up. I could take this money out. I could take my $400 out, put my $800 back in my pocket, plus the $500 that I've just made without working that hard. Remember, I just put in my order a few days ago. So let's go to Friday the 23rd. Let's see if I'm up any more money or if I should have gotten out. It's buffering, it's updating me right up here where I'm pointing to. Whoa, look at there. I'm up almost $1,000. So in 1 week of activity, let's look at the chart. That's why the charts are so important. It has dropped past my support line. It's gone further down. So now you can see that from here on Monday to Friday, I have made nearly almost $1,000. So what am I going to do? What would you do? Since it's Friday, I do not plan on holding this particular stock over the weekend. I never know what's going to happen on the next after the weekend. So what I'm going to do, you see here, I'm still pointing to it. I'm up $1,000 for this 1 week. And remember, that was one contract. If I had done 2 contracts and put up $1,600, I would be up $2,000. If I had put up 10 contracts or bought 10 put contracts, I would be up about $10,000 this week. But with one contract, I'm happy right now. The one contract, I'm up $1,000. I did not have to work. I put in this order back on Monday, the 19th of September. And by Friday, the 23rd, I'm up $1,000. So what I'm going to do is take my money and run. That's where most of you have to learn how to do that. It's just like poker. You want to take your money and run. So I'm going to take my money and get out with a $996, almost $1,000 profit, as you see. So there you have it. $1,000 profit within 1 week, not working, just sitting at my computer, making a decision as to whether or not I should go up with a put or down with a put. Since the trend is down, I decided to go down, thinking that the market was going to drop, and it did. So I hope this opened you guys' eyes. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me, text me for those of you that know my number, subscribe, hit the bell notification, tell other people about this, because this is something that most of us don't know. And this is how I make money every week in the markets, by doing option contracts. The others, whether we're talking about AMC or others that we're holding to see if they're going to eventually go up, we just hold those and see what happens. But if you're interested in making money today or this week or this month and have consistent money coming in, you have just seen how to do it. It's just a matter of knowledge is power and learning how to do it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.